Hartzell started manufacturing propellers in 1917 in Piqua, Ohio, at the suggestion of none other than Orville Wright. Thus, the Hartzell Walnut Propeller Company was born and started producing Liberty aircraft propellers for World War I warplanes. For a few years after the war, Hartzell started building aircraft, but this was short lived as they found that their customers didn't really appreciate the competition. As a rule of thumb, if you have a Hartzell propeller, you also have a Hartzell Governor. Here's a list of all the Hartzell Governors we carry. West Coast Governor Service has an enormous inventory of Hartzell Governors. Let us know how we may be of assistance. Send us an email or stop by our shop in Tulare, California. We'd love to see our customers.